PittsburghFoodBank.org. The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
And there goes the BHC alarms.
The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
It's Marty. Listen, I have seen so much angst and anger these days that, you know what's overwhelmed me with joy and optimism? This Get Marty. The folks in this community that have stepped up. You can't help your neighbor if you hate your neighbor. Get Marty epitomizes that opportunity to help people, feed people, clothe people, educate people. If you need me, Get Marty at KDKRadio.com. It's where we will find a way to help you.
Get Marty is brought to you by the Bowser Family Foundation. Matt Mertz Plumbing, now part of the Armstrong Comfort Solutions family. UPMC and Robert Pierce and Associates.
The KDKA AccuWeather forecast is brought to you by JP Roofing and Siding, Pittsburgh's #1 Platinum Preferred Roofing Replacement Contractor. Call 412-829-7711.
Partly cloudy for tonight, the low 35, and for tomorrow, sun giving way to clouds, high 63, mostly cloudy tomorrow night, the low 48, and breeze get warm Tuesday, an afternoon shower, high 71. We're AccuWeather around John Fear, 100.1 FM, AM 1020, KDKA. Welcome to Amplify, California.
Before you
Tuned to 105.1 FM.
tuning to 105.1 FM.